This is a 2019
Harley Davidson RoadGlide Special. The color of this RoadGlide Special is billiard blue. A really great looking blue color. Being the RoadGlide Special, the bike is blacked out,
which gives it a great
contrast with this billiard blue color.
It's a low mileage RoadGlide Special
With only 7,431 original miles on the odometer.
Also being the 19 model, it has
the 114 cubic inch engine.
So you have plenty of horsepower and torque to get you up and down the road and over
the hills and around traffic.
This bike is equipped
with a Stage 1 performance package,
which is the high flow intake,
Cobra black slip-on mufflers,
and it also has the Harley Davidson
Screaming Eagle race tuner, which makes it all run right. This bike runs smooth, it runs fast.
As you can tell, this is a very highly accessorized RoadGlide Special. Starting in the front, has a Harley Davidson wind splitter windshield that has been added. It has the color matched custom Harley headlight bezel. Axle nut covers. Nice custom Harley Davidson floorboards for the rider and the passenger. The matching brake pedal. The short arm 360 Harley highway pegs that all match. Custom Harley grips, custom mirror, upgraded speakers, there's a nice insert there on the fuel panel. Nice Mustang seat with a detachable backrest. One of the big options that this
beautiful 2019 RoadGlide Special has is the color matched detachable tour pack.
If you're ready for a long trip, you can pop that
tour pack on, fill it full of gear, tie stuff to the color,
to the black luggage rack, and away you go. Now, being the RoadGlide Special, it comes with extended saddlebags. That's a nice addition to the reflector on the saddlebags. Nice LED turn signals in the back, blacked out of course. Black interfering. Being the 19 model, it has the new GTS boom stereo system that has nav in it.
A lot of other features.
Of course, cruise control, ABS.
Security system with a fob.
This bike is in like new condition. Very highly accessorized.
Looks great. You just can't go wrong with this bike.
Nice passenger floorboard. In the RoadGlide Special, Has the blacked out front end. Nice custom black 19-inch front wheel, blacked out rear wheel. Very large oil cooler. Black engine guard. The turn signals have been modified to where they have a white LED driving light in them, and then they turn amber when you turn the turn signal on. This bike not only looks great, but runs great. Market for a new RoadGlide, take a good long look at this 2019 RoadGlide Special. You won't find another one like it. Fantastic color with the billiard blue, blacked out everything being the special, highly accessorized, very handy detachable tour pack. This bike has it all. Low mileage, like new condition. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP on a new one. Don't get stuck with the setup charges and the freight charges and the dock fees and all that other hooey. Call Will at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. We can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Don't get stuck paying all those mystery fees down at the big boutique dealership. Give us a call and we'll help you put this beautiful 2019 billiard blue RoadGlide Special in your garage. Thank you.